Do you ever feel heavy or bloated after breakfast? You're not alone, especially after 60, when digestion tends to slow down. But the good news is, breakfast doesn't have to weigh you down. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to make egg toast that's light, easy to digest, and perfect for seniors. Each recipe takes just 5 minutes, uses gentle, wholesome ingredients, and is designed with your health and energy in mind. If you've been looking for a quick, satisfying breakfast that's kind to your stomach, this is exactly where you should start. To make these easy, senior-friendly egg toast recipes, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Start with 3 slices of soft whole-grain bread and 3 to 6 eggs, depending on how many servings you want. Choose easy-to-digest add-ins like steamed vegetables, ripe avocado, a spoonful of oats, or a slice of light cheese. These ingredients support digestion while still being satisfying. For tools, keep it simple. A non-stick pan, a mixing bowl, and a spoon are all you need. With basic items like these, you're only minutes away from a warm, nourishing breakfast that's gentle on the stomach. Let's start with one of the gentlest and most comforting breakfast ideas: soft, steamed egg toast. This version is perfect for anyone who prefers a light, smooth texture. Especially helpful for seniors with sensitive digestion or dental concerns. To begin, crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them gently until smooth. For extra nutrition and softness, add a spoonful of finely blended vegetables, like steamed spinach or carrots. These give the dish both color and fiber, without making it hard to chew or digest. Next, take a slice or 2 of soft whole-grain bread and cut them into small pieces, about the size of a bite or 2. These bread cubes will absorb the egg mixture and become melt-in-your-mouth tender after cooking. Lightly grease a small heat-safe bowl or ramekin and pour in the egg and veggie mixture. Gently press the bread pieces into the liquid, letting them soak it up like a sponge. You don't want the bread to float, you want it to become one with the eggs. Now it's time to steam. Place the bowl in a steamer pot or a saucepan with a steaming rack. Cover with a lid and steam over low to medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes, or until the eggs are set and slightly jiggly in the center. The result is something between an egg pudding and a savory bread custard. Soft, fluffy, and incredibly easy to chew and digest. The flavor is delicate, the texture is smooth, and it's warm and filling without being heavy. You can eat it right out of the bowl with a spoon, or gently invert it onto a plate and top it with a few slices of soft avocado or a light drizzle of olive oil. This dish is packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, yet it's incredibly gentle on the stomach. It's a perfect choice for older adults who want something warm, soothing, and easy to prepare. Whether you're recovering from digestive issues or just prefer a breakfast that feels kind to your body, this steamed egg toast is a simple way to start your day right. For our second variation, we're focusing on balance, a combination of healthy fats, fiber, and gentle textures that won't weigh you down. This version is especially great for anyone looking to support heart health and digestion while still enjoying a delicious, satisfying breakfast. Start by lightly toasting a slice of soft, whole-grain bread. Just enough to warm it and give it a slight crisp. It should still be tender enough to bite through comfortably. Whole-grain bread offers natural fiber to support gut health and help you feel full without the heaviness that comes from more processed options. Next, take 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs, cooked thoroughly, and slice them into thin, even rounds. Boiled eggs are easy to digest, high in protein, and much gentler on the stomach than fried or scrambled versions. They also pair wonderfully with the creamy texture of avocado. Now, for that golden touch, a few slices of ripe avocado. Rich in healthy, monounsaturated fats, avocado supports brain and heart health and adds a smooth, buttery texture that complements the egg beautifully. For added nutrients and fiber, include a small portion of steamed greens like spinach, bok choy, or soft kale. Make sure the greens are cooked until tender. They should be easy to chew and gentle on the digestive system. Layer everything on your toasted bread. Egg slices first, followed by avocado, then top with the soft greens. To finish, drizzle a small amount of extra virgin olive oil or squeeze a few drops of fresh lemon juice over the top. The olive oil adds healthy fats that enhance absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, while the lemon juice adds a bright flavor and helps with mineral absorption, especially iron from the greens. This breakfast is more than just tasty. It's a nutrient-dense, heart-healthy, fiber-rich meal that's light on the stomach yet fully satisfying. It keeps you energized and steady, with no bloating or discomfort. Plus, it's beautiful on the plate, colorful, fresh, and inviting. Perfect for anyone over 60 who wants to eat well without overcomplicating things, this egg toast variation is simple, nourishing, and thoughtfully balanced. If you're short on time, but still want something warm, flavorful, and heart-friendly, this oil-free pan-fried egg toast is the perfect option. It's simple, satisfying, and takes just minutes to prepare, without a single drop of added oil. Start by heating a non-stick skillet over low to medium heat. No oil is needed. Just make sure your pan is truly non-stick for easy cooking and cleanup. Crack 1 or 2 eggs into a bowl and beat them gently until the yolk and whites are well blended. Pour the beaten eggs into the warm skillet and immediately swirl to spread them into a thin, even layer, almost like making an omelette. Before the egg sets completely, place a slice of soft whole grain bread right on top of the egg. Press it down slightly so the egg clings to the bread's surface. After a minute or so, once the bottom is set, flip everything over carefully and cook the other side for another minute. If you like, this is the perfect moment to add a thin slice of low-fat cheese on top. Then, fold the egg toast in half and press gently to seal. What you get is a golden, crisp-edged toast that's still soft and easy to chew, wrapped in fluffy, cooked egg. It's light, protein-rich, and most importantly, cooked with no added oil, making it an excellent choice for anyone watching their fat intake or managing heart health. To balance the plate, serve your toast with fresh fruit on the side. Soft, fiber-rich options like papaya, banana, or apple slices make an ideal pairing. They add natural sweetness, antioxidants, and help with digestion, all without spiking your blood sugar like processed juices or sugary spreads might. This breakfast checks all the boxes. It's quick, heart-conscious, full of protein and fiber, and easy to customize. Best of all, it leaves you feeling light, energized, and ready to take on your day. Whether you're cooking just for yourself or making breakfast for a loved one, this no-oil egg toast is a smart, delicious way to start the morning, especially for seniors who want flavor without compromise. And just like that, you've got 3 simple, satisfying breakfast ideas that take only 5 minutes to make, but can make a big difference in how you feel all day. Whether you choose the soft steamed egg toast, the creamy avocado and greens combo, or the quick pan-fried version without oil, each one is designed with your well-being in mind. These recipes aren't just about saving time, they're about starting your day in a way that feels good, supports digestion, and fits the needs of adults over 60. Because when you wake up in the morning, your body deserves something gentle, nourishing, and easy to digest, not something that leaves you feeling sluggish or uncomfortable. With just a few ingredients and a little care, you can enjoy a meal that fuels your body, lifts your mood, and protects your long-term health. Even better, these meals are flexible, so you can customize them to your taste, lifestyle, and dietary needs. No more heavy breakfasts that sit in your stomach all morning. Just smart, satisfying food that works with your body, not against it. So now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these egg toast recipes are you most excited to try? Or maybe you already have a go-to breakfast that's light, nutritious, and easy on the stomach. Share it in the comments so others can try it too. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends, especially those over 60 who are looking for new ways to eat smarter and feel better. One small change can lead to big improvements, and your simple share might be exactly what someone else needs to start their morning off right. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Here's to mornings that feel lighter, meals that support your health, and a breakfast routine that brings more ease into your day. See you in the next one. And until then, eat well, feel well, and take care of yourself. Thank you for following us till the end. Don't forget to show some love by clicking the like button and subscribe. This supports the channel and allows me to continue creating content for you. Leave your thoughts or comments below. Feel free to express yourself and stay positive. See you next time.